Hi, it's Mrs. Brown here, High School Library Media Specialist. And today I'm going to show you how to use Sora, the student reading app, to access the summer reading titles for the high school. So there are actually multiple ways that you can log into Sora, but to get started, if you've never used it before, we're actually going to use the website. So we're going to go to soraapp.com. And you'll notice at the very bottom of this screen, it says, I have a setup code. So we're going to enter in this setup code, Mass Live Mass. And the reason why we're going to do that is it's going to allow us to add the public library without having a library card. So if you don't have a card from Flint Memorial Library, you can still see titles and borrow titles from the public library, in addition to the titles that are in our catalog. So once you have done that, you're going to sign in. So what we're looking for right now is North Reading High School. And you'll see North Reading High, incoming students in North Reading High School. You're going to select North Reading High School. So then it's going to say sign in using North Reading High School. And you notice that it brings us to Clever, and it signed us in through Clever. So now that we are in, we need to add a library. So that code that we used allows us to add the Merrimack Valley Library Consortium. So when you start typing in Merrimack Valley, you'll see this. So if you say, this is my library, it will add it to your Sora app. So now that we've done that, what we're going to do is we're going to go back up here, and we want to get back into the Commonwealth ebook collection. So that's the collection that's specific for our school. So you'll see Sora Sweet Reads, and then just below that, you will see NRHS Summer Reading 2021. So when you click on that banner, you can open up the entire collection of titles. And you'll notice some of the titles have a little icon that shows a headset. So that's indicating that it is an audiobook. So it's pretty easy. When you find the book that you are required to read for summer, you just click borrow, and it automatically opens up on your device. And then you can use your arrow keys, left and right. Whoops, let me just get rid of this. Your left and right arrow keys to navigate through the title. The other thing you can do is use your up and down arrow. So if you wanted to add a bookmark or add notes or change the font, you can do that using your up arrow. And then to get rid of that, you would just click on the down arrow, and that will allow you to escape from that menu. Okay, so I used my up arrow again. I'm going to close this title. So basically, it's as easy as that. So the next time that you log in, you won't need to go through the whole Mass Live Mass thing to get to Sora. So what you would do is you would say log in with Google. And once you're on the Clever homepage, you will see, yours is going to look a little different than mine because I have a teacher interface, but all you're going to do is click on Sora by Overdrive, and it will let you in. So it automatically defaults to your homepage where you can see what things you have borrowed. But if you click on the Explore button, that will bring you to all of the items that are available in the catalog. You'll notice some of them will say, currently not available, but you can always put things on hold. So basically, that's it. That's how easy it is to borrow a title for summer reading. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. I'm always happy to answer any of your questions. Okay, that's it. Thanks.